You're welcome back to Next Consult. On the first video that I did on how to create a transparent background for a lower third using Vmix and Easy Worship, this was the outcome. But now I want to show you how you can create your own lower third, should in case you don't want to use the default one that you see in Easy Worship. I'll move a little bit faster. If you are having any challenge, feel free to contact me from the description below. So just follow through. Let me close this. Alright, and let's go to our Easy Worship. Okay, let's maximize this. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna go to the scripture. So this case, this is how our scripture, or when we shoot anything from the Vmix, this is how it looks like. So let's go to the Vmix and see how it appears over there. You go to add input, NDI, then let's wait whilst it loads. We are about to pick the feed from Easy Worship to Vmix. So if you check, you see just below it Easy Worship Live. Okay, so you pick that. You see that this one is different from the first one that I did. This one is not showing any lower third. It just appear just like the way you see it in Easy Worship. So let's move straight to the point. So how do you create a transparent background out of this? You just navigate to the configure section. Okay, alright, just follow through. It's just simple. Then you go to color key. At the color key, just click on this and select the black background. That's all, it's already created. Now let's come back. Then you see, let me add it to this so that you see that truly it's been created. So there's it. You see how transparent it is. Alright, so let me remove it. None. Okay, that's it. So now let's edit it. Let's edit this one. Sorry, let's edit the position. You can play around this to see what each of it does. So this is not what I want, so I'll move this one a little bit downwards. I'll move it a little bit down. Okay, then I'll close this. Alright, so now this one will be our 1, then this one will be for our 2. You see how simple it has become. Alright, so on the next video I will show you how you can you can add another layer color so that you can place the scripture on it. I just don't want to make the video so long, so just stay tuned. On the next video I'll show how you can add another layer to this, yes, within this Vmix, to make everything very simple. Bye bye.